obi elu gị were fon elu mara ka anyị chilie na obi elu ifon ihe ga-elu ndị mmadụ abara anya na Krismas were fon bụkala n'ebe niile gbachie ụmụ mmadụ aka chịpụta ya onye ọbụla gbara ya ọgụ mama awụlanụ ebe ọnwụọ na nụ ma nwụọ enwere okene nwee otule kele nwụọ today. Oh, maybe it's a little don't take that money. If you take it, I drop this microphone and walk away. How you go reach your sister-in-law? But I'm going to go to your sister-in-law. Sister-in-law, how about Nigeria? I'm going to do the sister-in-law. I don't want to have brother-in-law. Obviously, your brother-in-laws. Am I not your brother-in-law? You are. Is that Thai language? Say mine. Okay, you will speak another Igbo language. Another time. I did not ask anybody to answer your own, so don't ask. Another time, say it. Another time. She is very smart because she's young. And I don't know how because she will always suspect the husband. And because of her and the young here go one of the police. Smart children. Up to you. It happens. You're welcome here. You're welcome, sis. On my idea. But I'm welcome. It's in Shaman Daddy men a week. This is season of pregnancy.
Dede Amma.
Dede, our mama.
Our mama, my pay.
Our mama, your plate.
Yeah, we take it here. Our mama will take it here. Yes, also I'm from our mama.
Okay, that's where you are from.
Yes.
Our mama, your place.
Ebe jaro pere.
Oh.
Ebe jaro kai.
Welcome, oh. Tiki. Oh my God. Oh, this is lovely. It's all like that. You can be look. So to buy the same thing. You don't put the one in Nigeria. When you're like that guy, it's very hard to see. My chief, which thing back in one to kill on the money when you got there to their movie. So I was sure, okay, I'll play the 3 seats and I gave it up. Every high, any woman. Get to die, go out there.